Morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Happy Valentine's Day. It's the 14th of February, 2020. We are Signal Centre Talking Ball. Joe Neighbour, Ian Coleman, and Steve O'Hare. Good morning, guys.
Good
Morning, all.
morning.
All set?
Yeah,
Yeah,
all
glad it's
ready to
Friday.
rock and roll.
All got your cards through this morning?
No, I
And-
didn't get a card.
No?
No, I sent
Oh.
4.
You didn't get my one?
Not yet. The
Oh,
postman's not been yet, though, so I'm
Okay.
still hopeful. I sent 4, got none back.
oh wow.
Got mine.
What is that?
That's the missus there. Look.
Actually,
Oh,
I did
cool.
get a card. Tina said I sent you a card the other week, which is our Valentine's card.
Right. Is it a
Don't know
credit
whether you
card
can see it.
statement?
Oh,
Can't read that.
That's good. I got one saying something along the lines of you're a knobhead or something, but I still love you. So, cheers.
I like Ian's one the best that he sent to Tracy.
Did you actually send that to her?
Yeah, she loved it.
Oh, brilliant.
Not.
I did pick up one which was similar to that.
I had to make her a cup of tea in bed this morning just to make sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Right. So we can just sort of glance over the trades from yesterday. if you want. I'm not
Glance?
really
No, let's
bothered.
not glance over them. Let's go into depth.
Okay. So let's have a look. I got a stop out on New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Steve got a stop out on the Dow. But here's Ian with his 3.5 art winner
Whee!
Euro sterling. That's
Nice
actually
one.
your biggest winner to date.
Yeah, I'm steady Eddie.
So that
Little
puts
and
you
often, as they
over
say.
the 20R mark for the first time. So congratulations. And it's put
Thank you.
firmly on top of the leaderboard with a 3.5 hour lead over myself with a 62% win rate. So there's been no let off in that whatsoever. So congratulations.
Lovely job. Lee.
Overall, a little bit of a tick up in the overall P&L. We're still just a little bit under where we've been at the highest point, but nothing to be too worried about. They're all still heading in the right direction. So, Ian, have you got another one for us today?
Yeah. Euro dollar. We've got, I mean, it's high risk, but aren't they all?
Yep.
I believe that this butterfly formation is now completing. So it's a 161.8% extension of that leg there, comes in at 108.22. And then it's a 261.8% extension of this leg here, the AB leg. We've also got a DMARC 9 count on the daily chart, often indicates a correction, especially a perfected 9, which it is today. And we've also got GDP figures out from Eurozone. Might come out better than expected, who knows? And then we've also got some US figures. So I think you might have a catalyst today, put it that way, for a move to the upside. So 108.38 is trading at the moment. 109.54 is our bespoke resistance. And I'll have a 30 tick stop, making it a 3.8 R trade. So basically the stop under these fib levels.
Nice.
I like
That's
it.
me.
Steve, have you got anything? Or do
No,
want me
you
to
carry
go?
on.
Oh, cheers. I'm still trying to find something. Come on, Steve, help me out.
Yeah, okay. I won't give any fundamental aspect to it. I'll just show you this Euro Nokia I'm looking at
Oh, wow.
because it's volatile and because I'm way behind on the leaderboard. Mainly, no real rhyme or reason for this. So,
Wedge.
yeah, we're in this wedge to the upside. Just draw the wedge on here. Well, that's a bit shitty wedge, really. Well, let's take that point out, get sort of like at least 3 or 4 points on it, and then that's a bit more of a wedge. We obviously posted this bullish outside bar, or maybe a bullish engulfing, quite close to a bullish outside bar on the monthly chart. Weekly chart is we've had this little formation. You can see evening doji star formation, which is the sell-off. I'm going to go for a contrarian trade based on the candle yesterday. We attempted this decent rally and it failed and closed back down where where it started.
It's quite a spectacular fail. Did that go above the high of the previous day?
Yeah, it just edged above it. So that's an inverted hammer. That is a reversal candle. Although it finishes back where it started on the day, we've had a positive start to this morning. So we were sort of around. If we look on the rally up, it's sort of stalled between the 50% 61.8 fib, and on the hourly chart or the 4-hourly chart, whichever one you want to look at, there's a potential for a double bottom. We need to get a break above 10 spot 095 to confirm that, and that'll be a double bottom in place. The on the 4-hour chart, I'd quite like the momentum of it showing maybe a possible turn in the momentum. So we've had this bullish divergence basically where the momentum is slowing with the prices still moving lower. So I'm going to go for this, Daddy, and it's going to be a big one today because I can put a really tight stop on this contrarian trade. I can put the stop basically at 10 spot 015.
Like it. We've got bespoke support at 10.0182.
Ah, lovely. So my stop is just below that. Oh, yeah, that's it. Yeah, perfect. I'm getting long at 10.034. And the target, what's that? The target, oh, that's nothing, is it? Now, let's be realistic about it. If I jump back to the, say, 10.117, that'll be the target. That'll be a fib retracement. There you go. Not going too mad. 4.5 R.
Nice.
Lovely.
Okay. Thanks, Steve. I found one now. I'm going to take a look at sterling New Zealand. This is the hourly chart, and we've had a 61%, 61.8% retracement up to this resistance level here. We've overshot it a little bit, but around 2.0266. We've also got a resistance level there at 0275. And now this morning, we've got what looks to be a nice big outside candle posted. So we made a new high, rejected that, and looks as though we are heading lower. So for me, that's a cue to sell. Going to be jumping on that now. So current price is 0257. I'm going to target a move back down to the swing lows down here at, let's just call that 2 figure. And I'm going to place a stop above today's high, which is 0305, let's say. $5.35R.
Okay.
Just wondering if there's any sterling news.
Is there?
No, apart from Carney at 3 minutes. Just that's quite a decent sell-off in it first thing in cable.
Yeah, it's same in sterling Oz as well.
Yeah, Carney sees silver lining, but that's at 8:03.
Was he singing a song?
After Brexit.
I'm changing my target on Euronoki. Is that all right?
Yeah, go for it.
10.17, which will be, if I quickly just share my screen again.
Yeah, let me stop.
Only because I was felt a little bit rushed into the target thing. Only if this does form a double bottom, the measured move target is up there, 10.17, which again, that marries up with the 61.8 fib retracement of the downward move. That's it.
Lovely.
Cool.
And that's a lovely 7.38 R.
Oh, yeah.
That's better. I feel a bit more comfortable now. I think I've done my job for the day.
Good. Okay, so news-wise, nothing out this morning that we've seen, but there could be something that could be about to break on the wires, sterling related. Yesterday, was there any news that caught anybody's eye?
No, not really.
Risk appetite was a little bit sort of fragile yesterday. The IMF stated that there was too much uncertainty regarding the coronavirus outbreak to forecast impacts, and that uncertainty persisted. There was some speculation that the US administration would push more aggressively for a weaker US currency, with President Trump's comments being closely monitored. Obviously, we had the reshuffle in the cabinet yesterday in the UK. The surprise resignation of Chancellor Sajid Javid was greeted quite positively by sterling, and it rallied sharply higher off the back of that. So we've now got Rishi Sunak as the Chancellor.
He's only a young lad, isn't he?
He's ex-Goldman Sachs, so might have a bit of pedigree when it comes to finance.
Lovely.
Yeah, I think he's about 40, I think.
Young whippersnapper.
Yeah.
Oh, he just looks a lot younger than me, put it that way.
Okay, so more. He's got his first cabinet meeting today, I think.
Lovely.
So it could be some bits and pieces coming from that. Data-wise, got Eurozone GDP at 10. We've got US retail sales at 1:30, and then we've got the US University of Michigan consumer confidence figure at 3:00.
Lovely.
So reasonable amount of data coming out on a Friday. Anybody else got anything else to add?
No,
not
just
really.
a candlelit dinner for two. That's it. After that,
Yeah, indeed.
don't know which two.
Yeah. Okay, fair enough. Well, enjoy your Valentine's Day, guys. Have a great weekend. Hope you've all had a good week, and
Enjoy.
we will catch you all on Monday.
Cheers.
Have a good one.